Okay, so what we want to do right now is we want to get rid of this crease in here. We're going to use the spot healing brush tool, but before we do that, whenever you start to manipulate a layer or change anything, you're not going to be able to change back. You should always make a copy of it. That's Command J I used in order to make a copy. And as a photographer once told me, you name your children, you name your layers. Make sure that you name your layer. Okay, so we're going to say healing. Okay. All right. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in right there. Awesome. So we can see this thing right here. And I want you to select the Spot Healing Brush tool. Spot Healing Brush tool. That is J right here. If you need to hold it down, this is the one that you need. Okay. In order to go through all of these, it's Shift J. All right. So then what we're going to do is we want to change the brush size to about 25. That's, you click up here, you type in 25 and hardness of 100, and make sure that the content aware is selected in the options bar. That's this guy right here. Whoop, there it is, too far. Alright, so then what you're going to do is you're going to drag down in small strokes from the top of the crease. And basically what it's going to do is it takes a look at the area around it and blends it in. See that? It's going to catch up. There it is. I want to move down, so I hold down the space bar. See how it turns into a hand? And I drag upwards and drag down to about there. Awesome. See these little guys right here? While I'm at it, I may as well grab those. Isn't that handy? So nice. Okay, so what are we going to do now here with these trees? Well, the content aware, I'm going to zoom in a bit more, and the content aware should actually recognize that there's some different pixels there. So let's give this a try. And I'm going to go down to about there. Let's see how it does. Hey, that's pretty good. That's actually better than I thought it would. Don't necessarily, though, like this little fix right here on the bridge. So I'm going to go Command Z. I'm going to do this down to about there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a smaller little chunk in here and just let go and see how they do. So. It's pretty much the same thing. Alright, I'll fix that with the stamp tool later. Alright, so I'm going to grab this, come on down to about there, and I've got a little bit of a lag because I'm doing screen recording at the same time, so I'm going to come on down here, like that. Nope, too big of a chunk. Huh. I don't really like that, hey? See that? That's not very good. So I can go smaller. I'm using the square brackets. To the right square bracket makes it bigger. Small square bracket makes it smaller. Okay, I'm gonna do this little bit. Zoom right on in. And this little bit here. And I can touch that up later if I decide that I like it. Or if I need to, I should say. Make this a little bit bigger. Come on down here. I am zoomed in too far. I'm going to zoom out with that. There we go. And done. Awesome. Now, you will notice that you can kind of see the line where I've done this. You can kind of see it. But you know what? When I zoom out, Command 0, Control 0, I zoom out. Wow. Look at that. Heck, even the little spot right there that I thought was going to need redoing. That is pretty good. I am impressed. And this tool gets better with every new version, I gotta say. And the bridge there, because I fixed it, I know that that's there, but quite honestly, nobody else is going to really notice that. Now what I want to do is I want to zoom in on this hair right here. And we're going to use the spot healing brush on this too. And what I want you to do is take a look around and just see what other little bits there are on this thing. If there's anything that really bugs you, then go for it. You know, and see if there's any little things that you can clean up. Then what I'd like you to do is I want you to save what you got. Okay, so that's Command S or Control S. Good.